Thikoni ni kuma bunge yahitukia vieti ya maguta na njira iri na nganja riu njukaniro ciama-ini ni ciambiririe kwiyumiria atongoria aria mehokirwo utongoria wa ODM arĩa John Mbadi na muhuri musharica Junet Mohammed magiukirwo ni undu wa gutharia wikio wa kura niguo riendekithia ria President Kenyatta rikinyanire. Owen Bayan mubunge wa Kilifi North.
The leadership of the minority let the people of Kenya down. Because the principles of democracy, the principles even of ODM and NASA is social justice. It's a social democracy that is supposed to help the person at the lowest level. But you see, the leadership of the minority ganged up, especially our minority leader and minority whip, they ganged up against their own members.
Baya ariwa kihitania kuhagika ihoya kuri mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga gutigirira Junet na Mbadi ni mahagorwo akiuga ti agiriru kuramata kiama.
It's very unfortunate that we have that situation, but I'm petitioning the party leader that it is time that he removed the current leadership. Both Mbadi and Junet need to step aside, because you cannot be a leader of people who have rejected what you're telling them. You know, almost 100% of the members that you're leading, and you say you want to continue to lead them. I think I would ask Mbadi to tender in a resignation. If not, then we'll ask the party leader to relieve him of his duties.
Na kuri ogo bayano washakaite na a Kenya akiuga bunge ni yagite gutaukwo mahinya mayo wa mbere ari gutetera mu Kenya kuna Minister Rotich ni onaniti ari na mahinya ma kuaishia mathogora atekuhoya mwerekera kuma kuri bunge. Giribotera Kameme TV, Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.